Hey y'all, it's Sunday after church. I told mama that you all loved her so much and you requested her presence again on one Sunday afternoon riding home from the church house. We just had a wonderful service on today.
Man, I'm hungry as a hostage.
See, he didn't even know the camera was running, and the first thing he does is get in talking about how hungry he is. You always acting like you hungry. Yeah, the camera's on, so we can talk to mama. They wanted to talk to mama. They wanted to hear from mama. Mama, y'all mama still laughing.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
How y'all doing?
He hungry as a hostage.
I'm hungry as a hostage. I'm hungry as a hostage. I'm just
But
saying.
mama, I told them how much they enjoyed you in the video, so they were requesting for us to please turn the camera on so we
I
can
wanted
see
to
mama
say something
and
to
talk
you guys.
mama again.
I wanted to say something to you.
They didn't ask to talk to you. They want to talk to
I
mama.
don't want to talk to them, Donna.
Hallelujah.
I'm just saying they out there, Donna.
Hallelujah.
But I'm gonna say, let me say this. Let me say. Okay, Mom. Okay, but I'm just saying, Mom. Just
Maybe you're making the camera get all crooked flying on the wall.
Donna, I'm riding on rocks. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do, Donna? I don't understand.
Oh, and while he's getting out, Paulette is dude number one's cousin who's sitting back there in the back hiding. She don't want to talk to y'all. That's Paulette. My mother-in-law's name is Priscilla. Y'all remember when dude number one talking about, what happened, Priscilla Ann? Priscilla. So my mother-in-law's name is Priscilla, and that's cousin Paulette back there in the back, for those of you that were getting confused.
One thing about it, I tell you one thing, if you was gossiping like y'all always be doing, telling Donna my business, then if you were found out, Paulette is one person and Mama is another person.
They don't be gossiping. They be telling the
First
truth.
of all, who be gossiping? Because I don't be calling your wife telling her anything. And if I did, that's my
Mama,
business.
what did that have to do with you? I didn't say nothing. Okay, she want to fight. I'm bigger now because I ain't taking no more whoopings, Mama. I took all them, Mama. Matter of fact, I owe you for
I brought you in this world and I'll take you out.
You go with
Not
me?
the one.
You'll go with me?
Will we be joined
Well, let's
together?
join, Mama. I just love you, though. I'm just saying. I just.
love
But
you
listen,
too, honey.
this is one thing I want to. Something I was.
Yes, son.
It was something, Mom. I wanted to
What
say.
is it, son?
It's something I wanted to
What
say.
is it?
I am. Please, you throwing me off. You throwing me off. You throwing me off. But it's something to the people, to the fam. I want to say.
What is it, son?
No, I want to say, listen, guys, I joke a lot, love Mom, and joke a lot with Mom, and I just want to say, right here in front of all you guys, I thank God for my mom and just being there for us our whole lives, taking on that responsibility, being that single parent with her boys, and to every last one of you out there that may be facing the challenge and facing the that battle of being that parent and seeming like you can't make it. Mom will tell you, yes, you can.
You can make it. For real. I was a lady with 5 sons that I birthed out of my womb.
Yes.
Every last one of them. Didn't lie with one of my sisters to watch them. I kept them with me everywhere I went. So because you might think you made a mistake by having a child out of wedlock, that do not mean you cannot make it. I made it with my 5 boys and 4 other people's boys that I had in my household with them. And I didn't like my boys to play with. Nobody didn't go to school. If you couldn't go to school, they couldn't play with you. Because we came from a hard place. But God brought us up the right way. We made it. We still living. We still making it. And God will do anything if you trust in Him. So you young ladies out there that think because you got children you cannot make it, tell the devil he is a liar. You can make it. It might not be what you want, but long as you can put your foot in front of the other one and work the best you can work, God will make it work for you. Ask me. I'm 76 years old and I have all of my boys except one. One passed 6 years ago, but not from no craziness. He had a massive heart attack. And I praise God and thank God for every last one of my boys and other people's children I have raised also. And I love my daughter that I never had. She's my sweetheart. She take care of her mom all the time.
Sure.
And don't be sitting up there, Pastor, shaking your head.
I'm just saying, shit, Mama, you was good talking to the
That's
people.
my baby.
But,
That is my baby right
well, then
there.
if that's your baby, what does that make me? See what I'm saying, Mom?
He's my man. I said,
What? I'm your man. Hold on. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. We're going to have to get this thing together so people can understand what we're talking about. What I'm saying now, I'm your... Listen, Mama. My mama.
Why you have to mess up with
I'm
Mama?
just saying, Donna. I'm just saying some stuff.
Well, you my baby, you my man, and whatever.
Hold on, Mama. That don't sound right. This a new Mama. You back in 1971, 69. I ain't is that, Mama. I ain't is that, Mama.
Whatever.
I ain't gonna be that. I just can't.
You can't be what?
I just can't be your man, Mama.
Well, you can't.
I'm your man, Mama.
All of you, my man.
How many men you have, Mama?
I had 5 of them.
5 men? Mama, don't tell me about your past, please. Please, Mama.
I ain't
Mama,
talking
don't
about
pay him no
I ain't
attention.
talking about no man. I'm talking about the mans I birthed in the world. What is you talking about?
I don't
now?
know, Mom. I'm just saying, Mom. Some things can get confused.
Well, you really confused.
Translation.
Because I sure ain't talking about nothing that I had from your daddy.
See what I'm saying, Mama? Listen, it's just something in you ain't forgave about my daddy.
You're right.
What did he do?
Exactly right.
What did he do, Mama?
He dead and gone. He can't do nothing to change it.
Well, I want to apologize for him.
You can't apologize for
Well, I
him.
can't apologize for him,
You
Mama.
ain't got his mind.
I know what I'm saying.
You don't have his mind.
Okay, Mama,
You
I
can't
won't.
apologize
Okay,
for
Mama, but
something your daddy
I'm
did.
saying, Mama, the way that came up, you said it was like a visceral, like your daddy.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, your voice was even deep, Mama. You like the Exorcist.
Whatever.
It was. I was just sitting there like, oh, daughter. I said, what in the world? What kind of joke is that?
It might have been the exes.
I'm just saying, Mama. I'm just saying, okay, but I'm just saying, Mama. It just seemed like some things that's buried deep down came up. And I'm saying, Mama, just let go, Mama. Let go. Okay, so where we at? Where we at with that? Okay, so where we at with that, Mama? I just want to say thank you. I want to say thank you. Okay, you didn't get to have a daughter. Donna is on the scene. We'll take it. That's what we just sometimes you gotta take the car that you're riding in. I'm just saying it ain't what you think it is, Donna. It's different. I thank God for the car I purchased. It was it's a nice car. Nice car, baby.
Oh, Lord,
you top shelf.
You better watch your mouth.
You top shelf, baby.
What's wrong with your
You top shelf.
What's wrong with your son, Mama? You hear him trying to fix it up, don't you?
Oh, y'all passing me off as if y'all passing.
my son on you, Mom.
Y'all pass. Oh yeah, Mom, you look light skinned.
What just? Y'all, this is how he carries on with his mom. This is what they do. You are
saying.
If I'm dark, you're almost dark as me, so you can't talk.
I don't know, Mama. There's a difference.
I'm a pretty dog, though.
Yes, you are, Mama. That's what my daddy said. Yeah, it's a pretty little dark baby woman.
He did. Now, you tell the truth when you say that. He used to say that. That's a pretty little black woman right there. Yeah, he used to say that.
That's what my daddy said, boy. He was a red bone, Mama.
Yeah, he was red.
But you shouldn't have took advantage of him the way you did. But
yeah, we not go there.
But I'm just saying. Wait, no, he just said it was.
We not go there.
So I'm just saying, in that situation, I agree. Y'all did a good job. You and my dad, both of y'all did a good job with Juki. And
that's right. That's
did a good job with Juke. Yes, that's him.
Juke is my baby. Julius Edward Mounder. That is mine.
Full government name.
Why are you using his government name? People might be after him.
What? I ain't worried about nobody being after him. He can take care of himself.
Mama, you ain't worried about it, but you know.
I ain't worried about it.
Have you called him to check to see was you okay using his name?
I don't have to call nobody next to it's okay for me to use anybody's name I birthed from. I can use what I want to use.
You heard that?
Did that go for all of us?
That's every last
That's
one
right.
of it.
Paulette make it.
Mama, have you ever used my social security number?
No.
Okay, I'm just saying, Mama.
I got good credit. I ain't got no bad credit.
What are you insinuating?
That part.
What? You know what?
I don't use y'all name. What am I use y'all name?
I just wonder, Mama. I just wonder.
Have you ever got anything with Priscilla anything on it?
I did see one with Silan though.
No, you did.
But but Mom, let me say honestly, it has been nothing but a joy, and I truly do. I thank God for you, and to all of those mothers out there, honestly, and this on the real right here. to all of these mothers out there. I have seen my mom, I have seen some serious struggles that she went through, but she's always been that focal point that kept everything in line. And I have watched this, even with my mother-in-law, or my mother-in-law, as my wife says. And when mom went to glory, how everything went out of balance. So you mothers, y'all hold down a whole lot more than, you know, y'all are the adhesive and the glue that keeps the family together, really. It's just a different thing with mom as it is with dad. But to you guys, stay your post, continue doing what you're doing. I know that the big love for you and rewards will come out. God will always reward for it. And if mom is living today, let her know you love her. Let her know you let her know how much she matters to you, and you're not that busy that you can't go back and give mom a call to find out how she's doing today. She took care of all of y'all. How in God's name all of y'all can't help her? Real talk. So that's the thing I say, you know. So with that said, mom, do you need anything, any money or anything? Mama, do you need anything? Do you need something, mom?
Just sit over there saying.
No, I do not.
Okay.
Don't be asking
No,
me
I'm just saying.
anything, then,
I'm just saying, no, I just want to know. If you said, yeah, I would have fell out this truck in front of Lord, have mercy, these people got me on camera. Say, I just saying. When she paused, my heart said, oh, Jesus. Hold on. So I'm just saying, mom, if it is, I think I got $6 I think I can help you out with. I got 6, mom, man. I mean, you know, you get the mother 5, you get the mother 4. You know, I'm going to go in for D. I go in for D and give you 12. But Juke, Anthony, and Charles, they on their own. So 6 times 6 is, we can get you for $36. I know that.
But don't forget about Vaughn and Newton.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, so 36, and then add another 6. That's going to be, you know, we're looking at 42. Then another 6, 48. Got 48. Anybody else? Anybody else, kids?
Oh, this truck is throwing rocks, man. Get past it.
I thought that was talking about
That was rocks.
That's bang, 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 bang.
All right.
Why you ain't got a shield over the top of this truck?
I don't have no.
That's just tink, 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 tink.
Anyway, you guys, we just wanted to chime in since so many of you requested. Please, we want to see some
We
more
have a good
mama.
time. We is just a happy family all the time. We carry on a lot of foolishness, but they do know when I get serious, I get serious.
See, mama, you done brought back up another set of things.
Everybody, all of us.
I don't understand.
That's just the way we are. It's a close-knit family. And I hope and pray to God most of y'all out there is also. It's good to have fun.
It is. Lord knows we do that, and we laugh.
Yes, honey.
All right. Well, we hope you guys had a wonderful Sunday. As you can, we had a great service today. It is the first Sunday. So we just wanted to check in again. Like we said, thank you all so much for the love that you have shown Mama. We certainly appreciate it. Because, honey, if you come with something crazy, you getting deleted and blocked anyway. They're not gonna do that, though. They sweet.
I'm gonna say something crazy. Fight.
Don't say nothing about mama.
Talking about my mama, you make me mad.
Oh.
Oh, I'm telling you, we going in at this time. I'm my mama. We're talking about my Let's say about my mama. Ooh, it's on. Say something. Say something about my mama. Say something. Knock this phone off my shoulder.
I dare you. All right, you guys. Well, we love you all. Thank you guys so much for riding with us home from the church house today. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Turning on that notification bell.
Hitting the nosy.
Hitting the nosy.
Y'all
That
wait
way
till-
you'll be notified whenever we do whatever it is we doing. We got Mama hanging out with us today. Cousin Paulette.
Paulette back there being invisible in front of everybody. She can hide in plain sight like I ain't got nothing to say. Oh my God, won't they take me off of this?
I know, right? So we love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time.